Oh, beloved, uh, your answers are only within you. Only within you. Please stop taking other people's advice, perceptions, experiences as your own. It's so easy to take these experiences as our own because they're being reflected back to us by the people surrounding us. But what if we listen inside? What if we allow other people to have their experiences and not feel judged or limited in any way by their experiences? Their experiences are a reflection of them. Their perceptions are a reflection of who they're seeing through their own eyes because of who they see inside. So this is such good writing I'm finding that I've done. So it's time to feel your own way through from the inside out. Even if you are in the dark, blindfolded, in pain, lost from yourself, suffering. Or if you're seeing the opposite of what your heart ultimately knows. And even if you're experiencing and living and seeing nothing around you that is in harmony with what your heart knows life is, even then, feel your way through. All of this out here isn't you. You are the point of infinite love that can come through this vessel right here, right now, and allow new life to take shape out there. But without you knowing who you are, and if you follow other people, you will be just as lost as they are. It's time to dig deep and find you right in the center of you. Your heart's knowingness is far beyond what your mind can ever conceive of, and you're certainly not going to find it outside of you, or even accept that it could be possible or true. Your mind can't accept it. It's not reality that you see outside. This is the birth of the inside of the power that you hold as a point of love. Infinite, radiant, perfect love that allows everything to be exactly what it is. You don't need to change it. You don't need to fix it. Trusting your unseen and your unvalidated in physical form knowing. And flowing with its magic. That is where I want to meet you. Will you join me?